Welcome to Elementary Notes with Mrs. Curtis. Today we are going to be talking about subtracting fractions, subtracting mixed number fractions. Okay, we're going to look at an example of 3 and 1/4 minus 2 and 3/4. Okay, when I look at this, I can see I cannot do 1 minus 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a whole from my 3 wholes. I know I have 3 holes. I'm going to take one out, and that's going to become 2 holes. Okay? That one hole that I just took out, really, that could be 4/4 because 4/4 is equal to 1 hole. And I'm working with fourths. That's why I keep it fourths, okay? I'm going to take those 4/4 and I'm going to put them with my 1/4. 4/4 plus 1/4 is 5/4. So that becomes 5/4. Okay, so now I've got 2 and 5/4 minus 2 and 3/4. Same problem, I just rewrote it so it's easier to see. Now I can do 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Keep my denominator the same. I'm working with fourths. Then I can subtract my whole numbers. 2 minus 2 is 0, but I don't need a 0 in my answer. My answer would just be 2/4. Okay, so there's my answer, 2/4. If we were to look at a visual, for this same problem, we could. Okay, let's say we have 3 and 1/4 again. I'm going to do 3 holes, shade in those 3 holes, and I'm going to shade in 1/4. Okay, so there's 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, and 1/4. Okay, I need to subtract 2 and 3/4. I'm going to do 2 holes and 3/4. Shade in 2 holes, 1, 2, and 3/4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I have a model to represent my fractions. Again, remember, I'm trying to do 1/4 minus 3/4. Okay, if I have only one piece, I can't take away 3 pieces. So I'm just going to combine one of those holes from earlier. I have those 3 holes, right? I'm going to take one out and I'm going to group it with my 1/4. If I put those together, that's 5/4. Okay, then I just have those 2 holes left over, you can see. Okay, so now I am going to just rewrite that real quick. 2 and 5/4 minus 2 and 3/4 equals, well, let's see. I got to do 5/4 minus 3/4. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to subtract 3 pieces of those fours. 1, 2, 3. I'm left with 2/4, but I also got to subtract my 2 holes. So I'm going to take off 2 holes. Boom, boom. Okay, so now what am I left with? 2/4. There's my answer. Okay, let's go ahead and look at a few more examples so we can see this again. Let's say this time we have 3 and 1/3 minus 2 and 2/3. Okay, I noticed that I cannot do 1 minus 2. So what I have to do is I have to regroup my 3 and 1/3. I'm going to borrow a whole. I'm going to take that whole out. That took away a whole. That means I have 2. That whole is really 3/3. I'm going to combine my 3/3 with my 1/3 to make 4/3. Okay, so now I have 2 and 4/3. Now I can do 4 minus 2, which is 2. Keep my denominator the same. That's a 3. Then I can do 2 minus 2. That's 0. But I don't need to write a 0 in my whole number place. My answer is 2/3. Okay, let's do another. Let's say I have 5 and 2/5 minus 2 and 4/5. Okay, let's look at this. I can't do 2 minus 4. So I'm going to regroup. I'm going to take out a hole from my 5. That becomes 4 holes. That one hole I took out is really 5/5. I'm going to combine my 5/5 with my 2/5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So now I have 4 and 7/5 minus 2 and 4/5. Just rewriting so it's easier. Now I've got to do 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Keep the denominator the same, 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. My answer is 2 and 3/5. Okay. All right. Let's look at another example. Let's say we have 6 and 1/3 minus 1 and 2/3. Okay, I notice I cannot do 1 minus 2. So what I'm going to have to do is borrow from my 6 holes, make that 5 holes. Took out 1 hole, which is really 3/3 in this one because I'm working with thirds. 3/3 plus 1/3 is 4/3. That becomes 4/3. 4 minus 2 is 2. Keep the denominator the same, 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. My answer is 4 and 2/3. I know that this might seem like a lot, but it's going to be just fine as long as you keep practicing. You will get it and you will understand. I hope that this video helped you understand, and I hope that you watch for more videos to help you in your learning. See you next time.